Hello everyone. So I'm going to show you a real fast, easy way to make hard-boiled eggs. I'm going to use my Tupperware steamer, and out of all my products I do love like the Tupperware steamer, the pressure cooker, the Tupperware pressure canner, and I do love my Tupperware Micro Pro Grill. I do have videos on all that if you guys want to check it out. So there's nothing in here, but when you get your steamer, it'll come like this. So you could steam your fruits or your meats on the bottom and your vegetables on the top like that. So to do this, I'm not going to need this, so I'm going to move that. In the bottom, there's a little fill line right here. So I'm going to fill that up. Right to there, 1 glass, perfect. Then I'm going to take my eggs and I'm going to set them in here. Like so. It works with all eggs. Put the lid on it, and then I'm going to put it in the microwave for 12 minutes. And then I will have the perfect steamed eggs. Now, I had some set here aside already for you. They're not cracked or nothing. They're in here in some ice water. Let me drop you down a little bit farther so you can see. See, just like that. So I'm not misleading you. You put the eggs in there. Make your seal. Burp it. This is that's a bowl. Tupperware, that's a bowl. Shake it up really good. And your eggs are all nice and peeled. That's how easy. Now this does work with fresh eggs too. I get fresh eggs a lot of times from a friend of mine, but I haven't made it up there to get any. See? Perfect every time. And if it ain't all done like that and you can't grab it to break the membrane and pull it off, shake it up some more. So that's my video on how to make fast eggs. See, I should have shook it up more because I'm ruining this one. See? That one I ruined because I didn't shake it up right. So that's how you do it. You just shake them up really good in the ice water. Burp it. And then they come apart. Voila. Grab one that's wanting to cooperate with me. See how nice they peel? It breaks that membrane in there that makes them nice and easy to peel. These are fresh eggs. I just got them 2 days ago. So normally I get my eggs at least a week in advance, but I didn't have time. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. A fast, easy way of making hard-boiled eggs. Steaming them, right? Who'd ever thought? And a quick way of cleaning them. You guys have a great day. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.